Just gonna do a review of the week. The market's still open, but I'm not expecting much move from here. So dollar, I was expecting it to come lower. Did move lower, then move up, then again lower. I'm not expecting now for it to come lower. I gotta look at it through during the weekend, look at other charts and to figure it out. But probably this move has stopped here, and now it's going to go up, and then they'll come back down here. So I'll try and do another preview video Sunday. Probably coming lower to this area and then continue up. Now let's jump into another terminal and look at other. Well, gold kind of messed me up. I was so we were around this area. I was expecting a move lower. It went higher, got stopped out, but I'm still pretty sure it's going to come low. So next week, Monday or Tuesday, I'll look to enter here at around 1430 or 1432, around that area. Aussie, it went to the pip to the level I had last week. So if you imagine last week you didn't have any of these candles, you can see the video from last week. It's posted. So this move down, it's there. I can't change it no more. And then on the lower time frame, let me show this. On the lower time frame yesterday, I got that I had that entry for long, and I took that trade to here. And then for today, I was looking at this level for long again. So that's 1, 2, 3 trades this week to get up there. Euro Aussie, I was expecting it to come to this level. It didn't. But then on the lower time frame, it came back to this level. So I had short here, and I missed these two because it didn't come up to where I wanted it to come. So I only had one trade from here to here. These levels, it didn't come to me. Though for those that are in the fund, they saw that I added a little lower. But anyway, it didn't come to my level. I had to sell it at the return to the blocks. Like it broke here, left the order block there, trade up there. But anyway, you can see that direction was right, and it missed there by a few pips. I think this was already on the Monday video. By 8 pips, it missed that level. This level was I drew Sunday. EuroCAD, I had that level there, 46.98. It came there to the pip, or almost to the pip here. Took that short, but then just consolidated, and it's still, though it's in profit, but I wanted to clean this low so I can move in my stop. Anyway, you can see then for today I had this level and it came lower, then returned, and I showed this level, I think, yesterday. It would be, if you had entered, it would be 22 pips drawdown, and you'd be now making 22 pips around that. So EG, I was expecting a move down from there. It went higher and retraced. So for next week, I'd say it would come up to this level. But we'll see by next week. So now I'm actually thinking this, that ultimately I think it's going lower. Anyway, but be on the next video. EJ also, direction was right. I want to erase that. Direction was right. It didn't give me my entry, so I did add along the way, both in my personal and the fund, and I added it. Let me see. Added it 21,399. 20. So I added it this level. I entered around here, and it's moving nicely. So from 21,399 to here, it's 46 pips, 45 pips. Now Euro USD was the currency that kind of messed up. I had these two levels, about half the week. These two levels. Went there. I posted this in the group. These two levels. There they are. 22 pips above, separated. Little drawdown on this level, and nicely going back down where it was supposed to go. I was quick. When it started going down, I said it's not going to go up here. So let's look for the next level, and it was those two. So even if you traded this one with a 30 pip stop, I don't think you would have been stopped out. Yeah, you just barely would have, depending on the level, but that one was perfect. Pound Aussie also didn't go to the level I had expected, but then I did enter it along the way. I was just looking at the prices. Look at it on the other screen. 7744. So it's, let me see. Yeah, it's just around this area. A little above what prices. I was only able to catch it here on this retracement. So expecting another move down. I also posted this chart in the group and see how price came to this level and reacted out of it. So that was what I was trading. Another one that didn't come to me, but did go to the target. So I had this move for the week, did the reversal, but it did go there. So you got to look at it during the week to see if it should come up still or from here continue lower. No one didn't come to me. And well, sometimes they don't. This, I had the level up there. I did trade it, went into drawdown, and now in profit. But anyway, like I said, USD, besides Aussie and New Zealand, it didn't move. I was expecting a move lower. It didn't move. So when it took these highs out, I was looking for a long from there. Yesterday, I posted this chart. And you can see price came exactly to the level and then moved up. I did trade this in my personal, but I didn't, because I didn't want to add too many positions. I didn't trade in the fund. In the fund, I traded Aussie dollar. And then for today, I had this level, and it's just where it's hitting now. So expecting it to continue from here. Now the market's going to close and maybe even come a little lower by Monday and then continue up. Another one that didn't come to me, but setting up for a nice move down. So I'll see during the weekend what we can expect with this. Anyway, the direction was sideways, didn't do much. Here last week, expected it to come to this level. Came, gave me a little drawdown. 18 pips drawdown. And the next day, I suggested this entry for in the group, and it had a 30 pip drawdown, then nice continuation lower. And this is also setting up nicely to move lower. Yen is retracing now, but I had this level, these three levels. I don't think I had this line. It came to the first level. And then yesterday I posted in the group the return to this level, and it did return, moved lower, gave its 18 pip drawdown as well, and now it's just retracing for now. At the end of the session, spread will open. They will clear out everything above here, and then it should continue lower for next week. So that's the preview of what I showed Monday with no sound, no Sunday with no sound, and Monday with sound. And I'll try and make a preview for next week. Okay, so enjoy your weekend.